Carolina Financial Group, was founded in 1995 out of a need for a job. My background up to that point had been in institutional investment banking. At that time, within investment banking, it was pretty rarefied air. You were doing large transactions. You really couldn't touch a deal less than $100 million, and I did transactions as large as $6 billion. And you got a really good grounding on how corporate finance should be executed. The investors were institutional, and so they had professional standards. And so that background is really what underpins how we conduct corporate finance at Carofin.
I guess it was about 2013 we finally moved into the digital age and subscribed for an e-signature platform that gave us the ability to take a set of closing documents, fill in all the information for our investors, and post them to a website that the investor could log in and sign the documents.
For those investors out there that want to do a discrete investment in a given company, a direct investment in an operating entity, Carofin represents a unique opportunity because we provide a digital means for investors to access private placements, direct investments in operating companies.
We know greater detail about the companies we finance than we would in my prior life in New York, and part of that's because they're smaller companies, but you just have better access to more detailed information. The size of financing that these smaller companies need just is too small for, say, larger investment banks to accommodate with their infrastructure and their way of doing business. So we've built a practice that is specifically geared towards that capital raise of, let's say, $2 million to $20 million for the most part, which tends to be significantly below a level that makes economic interest to a larger investment bank. The numbers are important in making loans, but character is also very important.